Office tour.
Let me tell you.
We are located at 6th floor Kanata Education Office. Salas di Anadita Tower, Paseo de Roxas, Makati City. We're here.
Put a little gold in the teeth and the fit good, so I took the doors out the Jeep. Okay, I see a brother holding your seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get to know you at least. Don't take
Reception area.
I can keep it chill like the Soviet blunt.
Consultation area.
If you're looking for a friend and you got the wrong song, baby girl, what's good?
Let's go inside the Kanata office.
Tonight that's fiction. I'm outside, no pictures. You want me,
Working area.
to the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one. Hey, to the back,
Pantry.
to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one.
Free snacks.
You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Hey.
The Kanata Studio, where we make our podcast.
I'm singing. It's like,
Conference area.
got the best of mine. You got the best of mine.
The session area for info sessions, webinars,
The best of
and
mine.
pre-departure presentations.
You my little boo thing.
Come and visit us to start your journey in Canada.